I'm with the ish, my guy. Pull up skirt, fast how we live, my guy. Too authentic, we ain't with the fakeness, my guy. They gon' ask DJ play this, my guy. I'm with the ish, boy.
That's what happens when you get bad grades in school. Mom and daddy wanted him to get it, but he clean though. He clean. He clean. He clean.
Yeah, that's what he better be glad.
He clean. Hey, mom and daddy want him to get it, but he clean. I got him ready for a unit. He ready. He ready. He ready for my first unit. Yeah. Boy unit 101. Boy units. Proud parents.
That's it right there.
Like that. Look up in the camera, talk like you did in your other video. Hold you to your chest, report card.
I had got an F on my report card. And
On what? Every report card, right?
Yes, sir.
A F on every report card. We done gave you amount of chances. He done had opportunities to get help, got internet at the house, and he still turn around. Turn around, Tay-Tay. Do a spin, 360 spin. Come on. Come on. That's how he going to school today since they want to show out. Put your report card up, John John. I don't care about you being mad now. You want to get mad and act a fool, I can act one with you. Let me see your report card. He ain't got no good grades, a B, a S. No good grades, N's, U's, F's. This why his haircut like this. Come on, turn around. Turn around. Turn around. This what thugs do. You want to be a thug? Huh? You want to get in trouble? It's everybody else's fault why you get in trouble at school, right? Okay. Do good. Next report card.
I like how you like to act like concerned about pain from somebody who loves to fight so much. What the hell was his haircut to begin with?
Did you know about Aldridge and Kristen? Yes, Kristen told me that I caught them making out. Frankly, I've been surprised ever since that Aldridge didn't.
All right. We rolling? What's your name?
Lionel McBride.
All right. What's your Facebook name?
Fly King Foreign.
All right. Now, what happened? What happened yesterday, man?
I fought
You fought what?
2 females.
You fought 2 females, and are you a female?
No.
Okay. And are you supposed to be fighting females?
No.
And did I already tell you not to do that already? Okay. And then what happened after you fought these 2 females?
House got robbed.
Why'd your house get robbed? Did you break into your own house?
Yes.
And you weren't supposed to be there?
Yes.
Supposed to be at a friend's house?
Yes.
Okay. And then you let everybody know that your house was open and you've been having parties since Thursday night? They're at your mom's house? Okay. And y'all had blunts and jello shots and y'all in there drinking all kind of alcohol. And your mom's house is trash now, right? And then you got her house broken into, didn't you? I'm sorry?
Yeah.
Okay. You like shows, right? You like to attract attention, don't you? Yeah? You like that? It should get you a lot of good attention right here. Of everybody looking at you then. And people have tried to talk to you, haven't they? Haven't they? And you've been seeing you go see and you get to go talk to people about how you feel and all of that, don't you already? Okay, and you get suspended from school? Right? And you cussing out your principal and your vice principal and trying to fight him? Okay. Do you listen to your mother when she tells you to do something? How about, do you listen to anybody? Huh? I can't hear you. Okay. So people have been spending years trying to talk to you and trying to show you another way to do stuff. And you haven't listened. So people try to discipline you every way that they know how. and you choose to just do whatever you want to anyway. Smile for the camera. Turn and look at the camera. I don't understand what you're crying about. You literally were just on Facebook and you love to attract attention. There you go. There you go.
Saint Laurent and Gucci in a big old house with a sauna and jacuzzi. We done came a long way from working at the malls.